Hey everyone, it's Vela here on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get access codes, yes, recovery codes, for Discord without logging in. To do this, you need to open your browser and search for Discord email support. Once you find it, copy that email address and then go to your email client. I'll click the right button and paste that Discord email here. For the subject, we'll write recovery keys. And in the email body, we'll write, "Hello, I lost my recovery keys and I want to recover them. What should I do?" And that's the text we'll send. After that, support will send you steps to resolve your issue. Then click send and wait for a response. In their response, you'll most likely receive a request for data that you'll need to provide to confirm you are indeed the account owner. After confirming ownership, your account will be restored, or more precisely, your codes. And that's it. This was Veller. Bye, everyone.